The European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in effect since 2016, aims to establish comprehensive legislation for data protection. However, two libertarian objections arise. The notion of rights adopted by the GDPR is criticized, potentially violating the non-aggression principle and property rights. For example, the right to be forgotten limits companies' freedom to use their resources as they see fit. Additionally, the GDPR's practical implementation places a burden on individuals, granting leeway to data processors and failing to address potential government abuse. These unintended consequences may favor powerful entities over individual rights.